Santo Media.
Santo Media.
Santo Media.
Santo Media.
Aibo Santo Media. Santo Media. Hi fam, I hope you're right. Welcome to our first episode Santo Media Chat. Engakusho man, I've got two beautiful ladies, as you all know, which is the crew behind the camera. So, on my left hand side, guys, I've got Bubbly Peaches, and then on my left hand side, which konje yipi? Konje yipi?
Left,
Oh,
right.
on the right hand
Left,
side,
right.
yeah. On the right hand side, you know, Smomoza, Nyamkena, Mosinyamazi. And then next minute, in the scenario, sine camera operator, which is a Black Mafia. We have our director, Vocal G, and then we've got our sound engineer, sponsored nge sound lakhe. Siyabonga, shout out to him, Mr. Cheesy Entertainment.
Oh, yes.
Ungakhohlwa na ukumcheck kuma social media platforms.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, man.
Sharp, yo. Sharp, minang right.
Very much.
Yes. Yo. Tala simele lento lena abantu dala
Yo.
Exactly.
Kunini.
Aye. People have been asking. So now you get senitholile. So isn't there so besikhuluma ngazo basically we will introduce ukuthi what's the main aim Santo Media podcast.
Yes.
Yeah.
Guys, the aim of this podcast it is to offer a platform to artists and entrepreneurs ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi nabo bazishowcase ukuthi badume ngani, na understand? Yes, and then it provides for nina guys, it provides information and then knowledge ukuthi nazi ukuthi amanye ama industries adume ngani, na understand? Ukuthi ayenzani, kwenzakalani, information teningazazi. Yabo?
Yeah, it's been a long journey, yo.
Yeah, gonna
It's been a long journey, even though
and izinto sesizenzile
too much.
Siqalethe vele thulani.
Yo, hey, to think ukuthi sadlala.
Hey, ngikhumbula.
sisemuva
sadlala. We had Santo Consultant name. So Santo Consultant, it's being directed by Ntokozo Santo Mkhonza.
Yeah.
Understand? So there was a show, man. Konje becula in. I think bokhona ke interview if you remember.
oh la mina vele ngiqala ukujoyina
Yes, yeah. Konje becula in.
IMM.
Yeah, no,
Isaac.
becula iDithenulo.
Dithenulo
The Healing
Melodies.
Yes.
Yini konje I think yase Whiteville.
Free inspiration what pure.
Yeah, but yase Whiteville, yase I think uyakapa
Yaka Pooks.
Pooks, yeah.
Yes.
Uphathwa khona
See
iPooks.
joyful.
Yeah.
St. Paul joyful.
St.
Joyful
Yeah.
singers. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, mayicala lapho, and then I came with the idea with someone. Man, since well you a Santo Consultant, you have equipment, yabo. No man, how about we go there to promote basically straight the choir by busy the healing melodies, you
Okay.
understand?
Yes.
So sitha no, let's go there, so shoot some videos into ama interviews ke bengayicabanga at all. So shoot a live recording, yabo. Sharp ngikhohliwe mina nge live recording day before event, if I'm not mistaken. Mr. Vocal, it was day before, right? Day mina bese ngikhohliwe, and then when you came on the day ne, yeah, lelo langa leli kuseni ngikhohliwe mina ukuthi kumele siyenza ama live recording.
Yes.
Ngibone ngayo vele.
Aish.
Uyasikhela isikhoma sakhe mosi.
Yeah.
Yasifo isikhoma sakhe dala sepayipini
Phela lapha singanela sonke.
wenza kanjalo sekuyimiwo ngikhohliwe yabo, and then sahamba, and then masifika I think good healing melodies hleli. Sanso himself came with the idea ukuthi no man do ubani ozoyenza ama interviews,
Okay.
yabona. Hey, singaqala nami ngicabanga abo Mr. Galela, yabo, like sengicabanga abantu ukuthi abantu seba well known, yabo,
Yeah.
in the industry, yabo, because siqala ku industry club and tape, but asikho ku club and tape yodwa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yabo, so from there ulifa umphathi we the healing melodies. It's no man, there's no need ukuthi niloko niyalena le wena mancane ungayenza lento le, yabo.
Yes.
From lapho ke now, and then baba khona
And uyayishaya yo.
thank you
Ande
guys.
kamampela.
Yeah, and then unfortunately besishoda nge-equipment ke
Okay.
on that day. Ngisho yazi ukuthi stage kumele kube khona ama-mic ayiswitch azobalansa ngapha nangapha.
Okay.
Hayi ke uBlack Mafia naye wathi no guys man, ne-equipment.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's work guys. Don't equipment yakhe. Then from there sayicala sadlala.
Yeah.
You understand sadlala. asikakabi mhlambe nevision sisho ukuthi amani
Sira.
Yeah,
let's take it somewhere else yabo okay must poster irespond yabo wow
Yo.
Eish.
so into inspiring ukuthi no guys keep pushing the audience yethu otherwise guys thank you so much yeah.
nami ngilaphaya vele ku-audience leyo khuluma ngayo
Yeah.
Yes, talking
like
about
yona vele
the audience,
bengi-impressed
guys. Comments and what receive
Yeah.
like
As
interaction.
so
Yes.
siyabona ukuthi people like bafuna more yabona so bafuna more okay mase bafuna more angisekho la I understand Sanso said no don't lenta uyibona it's something uplift Davidson it's something uplift ama brands
Indeed.
ukuthi akhule
Yes.
how about ukuthi let's support these upcoming brands let's support the choirs let's support ama stakeholders as a whole
Okay.
Yeah.
by doing what by giving them the platform as you
Platform,
said yabo.
yes.
So yeah sachubeka kanjalo
Okay. So guys, like ngicela ukubuza mina ne njoba senibheke ama interactions nama comments from your audience. Ama hate comments anwa receive maybe.
ayaba khona angeke ahlala ngabi khona but so far ibe one
Aw.
ha A1
yeah
Hayi
yo bese ngisho phela mangabe like kuba nama critics kakhulu mangabe nenza something that's when like abantu bakhula ngakhona whenever they do something
anyadla bayazi
So,
nabo they can go to ama comments
Yeah.
ku Sanso yeah they know
Yeah, nitila nawo kahle vele ama hate comments like and remind
yeah admin yethu yo waphethe kahle ama social media platforms wethu waphethe kahle
Serious.
yeah
Ah, nice.
ngicede ngisacoca
hayi xoxa
Ngathi
phela
ngimjahile. Yeah, so-
sinelanga lonke
from there we had Sisi Smomoza as an interviewee yabona on that same day and then obviously we all know ukuthi Sisi Smomoza under club and tape industry more especially like Davidson we
Yeah.
influencer
Okay.
so no man nayo washo guys whenever you need me guys ngikhona yabo man hlala phansi base sihlala phansi again Mr Santo no ngisibonile sponsor lo muntu lo
Okay.
simbiza zosibana nathi
Okay, and I know ukuthi there's this other girl.
yeah sorry ne
Yeah.
yeah really that's my colleague
the Jack
I saw Mr Girl yo
Oh,
she
me
is
too,
but
guys.
obviously basazombona
Exactly.
yeah and then yeah kwaba ke ubabul pitches
Don't camera wrong too.
yeah
Guys, it's bubbly peaches.
oh not
Bubbly.
oh mina ngithi amabhabula like
No, bubbly.
Elemix
peaches.
City
hey look
Bubbly.
khona yeah and then yeah we had pitches guys so yeah sesila namhlanje ke yeah
And
all
we
thanks
keep
to you guys
growing.
yeah.
Okay, so like so far from nisaqala until manje, i-difference eniyibonile nje ku Sanso Media nje.
what I can say
The growth.
yeah it growth it's too much
Yiyo nje.
yeah like I
Accelerating.
understand ukuthi I was telling Ilontuza my colleagues ne and my management ukuthi I'm so surprised ukuthi uNkulunkulu usebenza ngayiphi indlela
Eish.
yeah like izinto the way zamba ngakhona zamba smooth azihambi fast but uyayibona progress like
yeah
you can
yeah
see
like I've been saying nami
Yeah.
ngisabona sese eli phela manje but see like izinto the way zenzakala ngakhona wow
Yeah,
wow
sibonga support
yeah
guys.
yeah yo
yeah thank you so much
yo abantu
Support,
ashe
guys.
mabantu guys
Yo,
yo abantu
bengeke sibe
Ay,
lawo
ay,
ngaphandle
ay,
kwenu
ay,
guys
Shem.
like na understand.
yes I understand
Hi guys, need to understand.
yeah
But
guys
nje.
and another thing guys Sanso Media ngisho nakhumbula it's not based on maybe something like ukuthi siyashutha Sanso
Okay.
content
yeah
Yes.
yeah please yo kunina abantu bangibuza like bahlezi
Bayitshela
bangibuza
ukuthi
nje ukuthi
amakhwaya,
yamakhwaya
yes, true.
phela
guys asikho basically kumakhwaya kuphela yabona some ama events any kind of event
Yeah.
ngaphandle obvious you all guys know dibi bayitsa dibi like
Amanzi
amponjwana yabo but kuma event isikhona nawe utholakala ukuthi uzozithola unathi
Yeah.
that's what I can say
Okay.
then kusanso consultants yazisho maka guys it's consultants yabona
Yes.
ya consulta yabona whatever you need like let's say for an example ukuregister company
Okay.
CIPC awunalwazi ufuna ukuregister let's say ngine business or une business but ayiregister and ufuna ucomply yabona
Okay.
so yeah you can come to us sizokunceda from BPO CIPC if ufuna NPO or NGO yeah
Okay, so iSanso Media isuka ku Sanso
Sanso
Consulting.
exactly
Okay,
Yeah.
umbrella.
Umbrella, kahle
Sanso
kahle,
Consultant.
all
and
right,
then the
yeah,
media
yeah.
ingaphansi kweSanso Consultant
kusho ukuthi kungavumbuka nezinye nezinye. Oh,
Ziningi into
yeah,
ezayo,
that's
ziningi into
nice, that's
ezayo.
nice.
All thanks to support. And bengifuna khona specifically ngifuna ukubonga ngifuna ukuzibongela mina esayidini lami. Thanks kakhulu to ama-choristers wenhlakanipho gospel choir from eThwathwa, like Davidson and Ibuhali Batumelo and also the Healing Melodies. Ngaphandle kwe-support abasinikeze yona ne-push masisayicala bangibona ukuthi mhlambe besingafika la sikhona fast kanje labantu laba basiphushile social media. And then when it comes to friends, I would say shout out to Mafela. Majority of them bamkena ngoLerato V, Palisa Tsiane and
Lebohang Tsiane.
Lebohang Tsiane,
Yes.
yeah, shout out kakhulu,
Shout out to y'all. Shout out y'all.
Spiso,
Pega mina.
like nganibize kuze phele podcast.
One
Like
love.
thank you so much guys for your support here. Yeah, thank you so much. Ngaze ngikhulume kakhulu nami sengize
Keep on
ngalamba
doing
guys
the
apha
good
ama-snacks
work.
nithi ukuthi kahla kancane.
Keep on
Dala
doing
mara
the
vele
good
kudala
work.
wabhekile lama
Vele,
snacks.
umbonile Chop.
Sikhuluma naye umuntu ubheka ama-snacks, yeah.
Yeah, guys. Keep on doing the good work, guys. Sabong. And there's more to come. Yabo?
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah, guys, we almost forgot.
Siyadlala ikhaya.
Angazi ukuthi sikhohlwa kanjani ngoba le energy esinayo manje benyeke sibe nayo ngaphandle kwe Snazo Bites. Tholakala eDavidson. Mawuyifuna, ufuna uku-order or ufuna email.
Yo, it's
Ngena lapho kusasa.
mouth watering, guys.
Ithi manca. Ningayinikezi crew guys ni. Ngicela guys ngifuna ukuzwa. This is nice.
Inani, ayina fish.
Okay, good.
Phela mina I don't eat fish, you.
Yeah, guys, if you want to menu or you wanna order,
in
guys, please do
Nami.
holla. It's
That's really nice.
Santo pages.
Phela mina
Just
ngiyazi.
holla there. We will give you information yonke ephelele.
Uyezwa?
Yeah, guys.
It's in
Yeah, ngidle.
Yeah. Guys, spend some notes. We have got spend some notes, guys. Spend some notes here. Konje kulani manje soon.
Usuzocula?
Konje kulani manje.
Nge-22 Infernals ne-inhlakanipho.
Oh yeah, the derby.
Idabi yomhlaba.
Derby yama 2000.
Yeah, yodumo.
Oh yeah. You all like ngathanda ukuyibona into le Juicy and Fire. Yeah. Baningi ngiyacabanga abafuna ukuyibona ni.
And mina yazi ngikhe ngacabanga ukuthi bakhe bacula bathi no akazi
Abakazi
bacula
bacula, yeah.
yazi why ngisho kaSom. It is because of like indlela ababehave ngayo abantwana be-inhlakanipho nabantwana bayafana like the way bangakhona and mina I thought ngithe ngabasupporta like babonke. Yes,
They are united.
abona
Yeah, they are united.
yo
Which is a good thing. Yeah.
even nabaphathi bakhona.
Yeah.
Ayi.
Yeah.
Mina
Bese baba
I
serious.
remember them njengoba kune show I think bekuyi second interview yam.
Yakho.
The time senze ishow Victor Ndazulwane. Yes, so like umphathi makasukuma like ngazuthi uyaba control ngathi sisukumani. Dalani phansi sukumani like yo like yo and bayaphuma sham bayaphuma.
Yes, they do support you.
And into ebalulekile le ukuthi like ube umphathi usupporte because ngisho nawe ufuna ukuthi ichoir yakho isupporte so
Exactly.
into ekumele uyenze nawe supporta and then nathi sizoza kuwe yabona
Oh yes.
into kanjalo so I must give aneni ngiphe inika kahle
Oh
kahle
yeah.
Yeah, 50 ngapha, i-30 ngapha isebenzi. Mile
Imala.
50 ngapha i-50.
mahala ngapha.
Ayikho imali ngapha.
No, imala.
Asidlala.
Yeah, another thing, I forgot to mention ubafana ne. I would like to thank ubafana under Ubuntu Entertainment.
Okay,
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Yeah,
And abantu abamazi ukuthi uye
ababa.
abamazi
Yeah, they gave us a
We
platform.
found
Yeah, but they gave us a platform. You would know, guys, you can work with us. take videos, take interviews, yabo, so that i-platform ikwazi ukuchubeka. So yeah, we really appreciate it too much.
Shout out
kakhulu.
Ishongololo, ngidla ishongololo guys.
Ngilizwe chumnyama
So uthwele.
Ngithwele ngalo. Sasa lento inabungozi.
ayithatha chumnyama
So like guys, ngifuna ukuthi nikhulume kuma comment ukuthi nifuna bani, nifuna ukuthi sibize bani as a guest.
what would you like to see next
These are your hosts
next
guys.
episode yethu
Yeah.
and then if nifuna ukusibona next time comment down below
Yeah, please
ukuthi
do
nifuna
comment.
ukuthi size
guys.
kuphi yabo sizoza guys nizosithola
And
Yes,
also
I
na kuma social media platforms wethu abantu like please yazi kuyenza nomuntu umtshele nge-YouTube avele abukele kuphela angasubscribe.
Yes, yeah.
No, like
Please, guys,
siyandinga
subscribe,
like we need you
subscribe.
ukuthi subscribe.
Yeah.
make sure that you like
Please guys, yo,
you
into niyenza
share
ku TikTok.
you comment
How guys
you subscribe
yini ema-stars
And you hit the
Facebook, mabasipha
notification
ama-stars,
bell.
man. How guys how
asangicela, guys,
Sangicela.
please share stars. We also go live bafethu ku TikTok. Please join us Santo Media. Join us nisirele nama-flower guys. Nifuna siphusheni right siphambili. So we also want that bafethu. So please do. Yeah. Ishongololo linjani lona?
oh hambana
Mnandi.
thatha
Yahamba.
shongololo ayinabungozi
Ukhe walifaka efrijini edifreezer.
bese lize lifozile
Yo.
akaze
Linika lento le
No, mina ngiyizame.
wine
Ngiyenzani?
gum nyana so.
Niyenzani?
phezu kwayo
Ufaka edifreezer.
Ishongololo le. And then uyalidla linjani? Alibi manzi.
Liyaqina.
So malisimeta olisuke libi ice.
Melt. Ice melt. Melt.
Oh yeah.
mfundisi
Kama ki-
Melt.
into enzani?
Imelta insimbi.
Yenzani?
Imeltayo.
sokushaya
Ezinye izinto ziyasmelta.
Spencer into bolile, if I'm not mistaken.
mna
No guys.
ngizobashaya
No guys.
Sisele phezu
Guys,
kwazo.
please comment down below
Please comment
ukuthi leli igama li-right la
It smells, so it
usmelt
smells.
ukhona vele guys mina
Is it
besikhona
nice or
ukhona
smells?
Yeah,
ku-dictionary
yeah.
really
Can you please do check? Please do.
Sesisele phezu
You have a dictionary?
kwazo.
You have a
amanzi
dictionary?
ayasmelta
I-dictionary guys bhekani ku
Meanwhile, as I check dictionary, please now do comment there.
yenzani ngemitha meter.
So,
AI.
So,
AI
kodwa
Yeah.
wazi ukuthi i-entrance yakule show yange-22 idabi how much izobe kuphi
Mina
okunamathikithi
ngazi ukuthi
maybe
sembi kwacindi and then amathikithi asathengiswa.
Mathi kahle,
Ah,
Yeah,
Asasekhona.
asathengiswa sisekhona. Into engingamasho ngayo i-price ke.
price.
for sure guys
Okay, ikhona for any time.
ufuna ukucheck
Oh yeah, I just wanted to give Ufo for a call. So like
Yeah.
understand, yabo.
oh yeah
And then yeah, like you must keep information. Keep it in there, yabo. Esinolwazi la. Oh,
Mara sinawo ama-poster.
I forgot to say something. Whoa. Asimini kancane ngencwadi izosiphazamisa. I forgot to say something. Yesterday guys, we're going to show epic at Davidson.
Oh leyo umlazi
yes.
Yo, guys.
Yo.
Mina ngiluzile and I'm right.
I was there.
Ngihetsi.
Yo.
Inhliziyo imhlungu.
Ngiyacala ukubona into enje like ngihambile ama-event i-club and tap, you know kuyagcwala ngosisupport ikhona eDavidson.
the
But
biggest
yesterday-
venue we've ever had
Yeah.
yes and tap Oasis of
Oasis
life
is big, but
And
yo.
yazi
Igcwele
khona
iphuphuma, guys,
khona
like
ipost
angiyibhilile lento le.
engiyibonile ne ikhuluma about that thing like ukugcwala
Okay.
yeah ne nokuthi abantu they were able ukuthi ba respect that.
Yes.
Yeah.
The show be discipline. Like everything behamba smooth. I don't know lie, everything it was smooth.
It is organized.
Packed. Bongafisa ukuthi bongabona ngathi mhlambi event le, let's say I'm hosting as an artist, I'm hosting
Yeah.
an event outdoors. Packed. No, you can go Google Sanso Media on TikTok. Nisozibonela yo.
Yeah konje benisebenza.
Imoto besigcwele phakathi ku parking lots. I think ibesijampana la 3 the way bepacked ngakhona yo.
Imagine.
Saze saceda late.
Leya post they even mentioned ukuthi akekho umuntu ozoloka bhiza amemeza or ayenzani.
No. They even said now.
Yabona amashow anjalo yangichaza because like
Baba respectile.
like or
Yeah.
yeah.
lapho sizokhona ukubona ukuthi okay
And
yeah,
uyakwazi ba-understand ukuthi kugcwele
Yeah.
le ndawo yinkulu.
and esikhe saba nale nkinga ngisho vele like ku-industry
Clap and tap.
eClap and Tap ukuthi abantu manje bacomplaina ngokuthi bayabhadala imali eningi but umuntu usho ukuthi uzoyibona ishow nge-round 1 and then lawa amanye ama-round angeke asawabona because of abantu bamaphambili akusazwakali
Oh,
akusathini.
yes.
Yeah like yizi izinto ekufanele ngabe ziyalungiswa vele ku-Clap and Tap.
Co-stars and supporters siyacela mani ukuthi sikhumbule ukuthi sinabazali futhi abazayo bazobukela. We also have a media team efana nathi ezayo izoshutha. Please do guys nisinikeni nje istage sibukeleni ababukelayo ama-audience and us as a media team sikhona ukushutha so that we can give back labo bantu labo
Content
abangakhoni ukuza eshowini yabo. Kunomuntu othandayo ukuzobukela let's say ishow lesiya kuyenhlakanipho and Infernos but manje simply because of usepitori akakhona ukufika but uyakhona ukuthi athole i-feedback from the page so please do guys yeah cause nawe mawucula uzofuna ukuthi uthole i-quality video yabona
Yeah, quality content.
enye
Nalo
into-
muntu bekangekho uzofila ngathi bekakhona
Exactly,
because
yeah.
i-video
enye into
is
ebalulekile guys lento yokuthi mase nishuta as Santo Media ne mhlambe niyahambisa ama-camera like please abantu mabahloniphe iSanto Media please asisho ukuthi like sibakhulu or kanjani but abantu they need to respect yabona the
Umsebenzi.
language you use like ngiyandlula yewena
Oh,
mancane
yeah.
wena
It's going public,
yeah
yeah,
public
yeah,
guys
yeah,
guys
yeah,
please
yeah.
please
Okay, guys.
hlonipheni let's all be happy. Okay.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
waza.
okay it smells or we said smells and melts
So compare zoyi-2 ne?
Okay.
So smelt it means you are extracting a metal from its ore. Mawuthi uyasmelt sikhuluma ngensimbi.
okay
Okay.
Yeah, and then melting ithi you make or become liquefied by heat. So noma yini nangabe uyenza ibe liquid then iyamelt.
ngicela ukubuza azange uzothi wena into emeltayo.
Mara
Insimbi.
no
Insimbi.
was I wrong bengisimbi konje mina
Uthe smelt.
oh
mina ngena ngathi right mara bengisupport them.
Mara akusile.
no mara ngisobheka ngisho like you understand
Okay,
ukuthi
ngophinde
i-50 ngapha so kumele ngibe nomuntu ofunela
Mara akusi language yakini.
Ithini?
Yeah, siyaxolela. Ngicela nimxoleleni akusi language yakibo.
maka vocal bo right ungisupport because bayi2 ngi1 and yazi amantombazana mawayi2 wi1 ayacindezelana yeah thanks for the support
Thina musa kuyisuka.
Ntombi, you are extracting metal ne, from its ore by a process involving heating and melting. Smelt. Yeah.
Heating and melting.
Smelt. Mina sengithanda la smelt.
ukuthi mangithi smell
I am smelting.
Kuyinsimbi.
Yeah, I'm smelting. Yeah, mina nguthusi. Ithusi nazi ukuthi ithusi yini?
into
Silver.
Isotho
Yes,
oh, Black Mafia, what was pretty?
Oh, guys, now I know. Inge?
Thusi
Two.
is silver.
Which is one small one.
Isibongo sami. Chabalala.
Chabalala.
Cha.
Oh, cha. So like yeah.
T.
With the
it's
T.
all-
Oh,
it's all-
chabalala,
Oh,
uchabalala.
chabalala. It's yes.
Chabalala.
Not
yeah.
chabalala. Chabalala.
Yeah, phela ngithi sifuna ukulibuza
Guys,
Chabalala C O T.
Chabalala.
T.
Guys,
Uloka kasi, angithi?
ama-ticket wedabi it's 80 rand emnyango ne, and then 70 rand before the day.
Guys.
And then akuna
affordable.
special ababhalanga ukuthi ne special se lezi zabo 2 for what.
No, it is affordable.
It's affordable.
Mele baba contact.
Yazi mawungathi uyachecka ne most of the time makuthiwa it's a dabi ne. Ithikithi liqala vele ku-80 rand and then it's I think it's 100 rand at the door. Sometimes kuba 100 rand then it's 120 at the door. So it's
Little cheap, yes.
It's 70 rand.
Yeah.
And then at
Emnyango
the door 80 rand.
80 rand.
Yeah, nice.
Mara incane, and for that
yeah.
show, for that
Yeah, for that
show.
show, yeah.
I
Hayi,
It's affordable.
guarantee you ukuthi abantu abaningi bazothenga emnyango cause kuyafana
vele yawo. Yabona
Yeah.
as long ingandlula 100
100
rand.
rand.
Ngiyanitshela. Ngiyanitshela.
Ngingaya ngibuye ngibhizi ngibhadale
And I would
emnyango.
like to say
Yeah.
something. Yabona unyaka omusha yabona. Masingeza mani energy enyu man. Sithi kuyehlisa kancane
New year, new us.
sibe ne discipline.
Yeah, New Year.
Yeah,
New
just
Year,
say,
new us, new us, hayi new us, new us.
New us.
Ufunda okuningi laphayana izolo ku eshowini ku concert. Eh nezolo
Yabo, concert.
Yeah, concert ne.
Yeah.
Kunini yeah ngifunde into eyi1. I-discipline be laphayana. Guys, kuyasho ukuthi like Davidson, you can do this.
Yeah.
You can do this. So masingathi siqale ngale year 22. Siqale ngayo nje sisibonakalisa ukuthi we wanna take ikasi somewhere else, guys.
Ayo bayezwa yo.
Yeah.
Guys.
bayezwa
If bakhona ukuthi bayenza into kasona like ba respect then
Yeah.
bazohlula
Bazohlula
yini
vele.
emashowini indaba ukuthi emashowini is another thing yokuthi like omunye makayenza nomunye uyajoyina so if umuntu yena asuke endlini azitsho ukuthi yabana le show ngizoyihlonipha
Yeah.
akekho umuntu ozoyenza into wrong
Phela kumele ukhumbule ukuthi if ever awuhloniphi into awuhloniphi wena.
wena
exactly
Yeah, understand. So nasemavidweni uzovele ungazihloniphi wena. Yabona, yeah. We also have another show of a legend like Davidson, legend leli. Angihlale ngakhona ukulimenshina imangeliwe yaMorena which is Dr. JP Machining.
oh bab
Oh,
mashini
yes,
Silungisa, it's Dr.
dog
Yeah, Dr. JP
Dog
Machining.
Utsa.
Yeah. It's Dr. JP Machining, the founder konje association the first association if I'm not mistaken it happens iDagma.
Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
iDagma. I think it's in Davidson Apostolic Gospel Music Association. Yeah. So bayacula.
wena uzazela place
Yeah, ngifuna ukusho kanjalo ukuthi nawe
wena enhle kunayo
Like, seriously.
educated
Yo,
Ha.
ngaqala khona kumuntu zakumangelo wamorena ku Mr. JP Machining. Doctor.
Yeah.
Ngaqala kuyihlapha ucula ni what's that choir?
Bahlopilweng.
Bahlopilweng.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
uyayazi bahlopilweng
So,
Oh.
uyacula nje.
ngiyacula guys
mara akushusa akakuzwanga manje njengoba ucula akuzwanga
like
hayi
ulwa nami
No,
no nina noyithuna nemasiceda la yonke into nemasesihamba guys sizoninika istradi
Sibamba,
Nibambani,
no, guys,
kahle kahle.
Lapha ngifika.
inkinga upha different
like somhluphe
kuzoba ngathi GBV yabona
Yaziwa yithi kuphela.
Ngiphetha mina ne. Cause mina ngeke ngiretaliate.
ngiyabona manje ukuthi kuzoba GBV
Yeah, ne. Akekho umuntu one-information ukuthi that show yaka Dr. JP Machinini inini, how much. And then let the viewers know.
yo kanti mina why because ama-show ngiyawazi but
Mina manje, guys, yazi-
ngikhohliwe ama-prices
mina
wakhona
angisena information akina phone
Yeah,
Mina
nami
manje
ngiyachekile
ngikhathala.
ama-shows
yabona njengoba ukhuluma kasana ne like unginika this thing yokuthi kuzoba khona isponsor samafoni sikhuluma ngefoni like singathela
so bese
isponsor
sithi God
samafoni
did
yeah
God
ne
did
kona mangikhuluma ngama-sponsor like yo sengifikela ile nto ukuthi vele asina-sponsor kahle singathi asina-sponsor we need sponsors like umuntu ofisa ukusponsora afile free yo
Yeah, we were
Samuel.
yazi even ukuba umuntu ohlala next door okhipha i-50 athi bamba
Yeah.
Aye,
that's a
it goes a
sponsor
long way,
i-sponsorship like siyakuphi une-20 nemalini like please guys
makes a
yo
huge
siyangicela yenza
difference.
umehluko mkhulu futhi sesibonile abantu abaningi basisupportile guys
exactly
Too much.
yo
I
aye
like too much.
and
guys.
singabonga
And
guys
it's not only
ungabusiswa
Davidson.
uNkulunkulu ayehlezulwini azezokucabuza nje special
It's not only Davidson.
Athi wena.
but
nami ngiyayifuna ngiyayifuna
ngiyantshela
Yeah, guys, so ngibuyela futhi kuleya ncwadi leya eish incwadi ka-Mr. Director guys le bathi ngiloko ngibheka yona kancane so ningamind.
mina ngazi yonke into vele so hayi isidingo sencwadi
Ne?
guess the
Give
choir
it
guess
out.
the choir guys whoa guess the choir Ria ubo
The thing ukuthi maningi okay.
harmony
I'm on the bees.
Exactly.
Yeah, the
okay
bees.
izwa gesana o tla ke reng
bohali batumela
uyaze kanjani
Ngislow mina
bona
like
bocabanga ini
mawuthi utlwa kereng I'm still waiting for you ukuthi usho lento le.
hayi la ngiyanibamba ngiyaphinda futhi nganibamba
sajem uba ntamani
Batho basine.
ah Singichubeke.
Okay.
Hawu mara guys
Ngicela ungasisi,
niyangipho and
awulost.
umphathi waleyo choir leyo guys ne usupporta yonke ichoir hlala khona everywhere
Ukuthi-
uhleza khona kuyiwaphi and hayi ukuthi uthi uzoza nani
Another hint.
Yeah.
enye futhi hinti
Another hint.
Ukuthi yabo mphathi vele ngisho so ngingazi ukuthi ungu because bahlezi bakhona.
uhlala agcoke kahle
Sombekile.
Indi unenda.
Ngiyabona. Angithi ngiyabona.
Wala Davidson.
wala iDavidson
Usa-
okay ithi nginike ni hints and le yabona le nangayibambi vele mina shemnyani shaya
Yo.
hayi
Sesitlasini.
Yo.
khona yini member yasekhwayeni yakhe ayahlupha kulamalanga ayahlupha le mntwana umntwana khona unamadimpulsi
Yazi ikhaya kabani? Yaka Mr. Razor.
yeah
Yeah.
Ngoma
Konje bani?
uRaymond
No, ngifuna lo mfana umnika hit.
upaseka
Upaseka. Wayenza indaba egroupini.
yeah amara anginibambile Almighty Blessed.
Almighty Blessed. yeah.
ikhwaya ya Wednesday baba Wednesday
Mina ngifuna ukunibamba ngingoma I think yakudala le. Angazi ukuthi
Mina ke angeke ngiyazi.
yakudala
Yeah.
yo ndawo nginengoma eziningi enqondweni
Ya safuna ucabanga la nje A1 yakudala. Okay, kuma legend ne.
ungathi ilegend ubala bo 98 abesingayazi Clepencept thina abanye lapha
They call him names. They call him Jesus. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes.
Yazi ngiyazicabangisa
Ikhwaya.
mara ikufika.
Babito Emmanuel. Umphathi wakhona like uye ozena lena le style lesi. Usho ukuthi ushaya le style lesi ses Black American ingoma yakhona uthi they call him
Asibarori.
Jesus. Thank you.
Ngicabanga
Yeah, bawusi bamurena yeah.
mama
ngiyahloka
uyayithanda ke.
ibaroris
Yeah, style sinayice yo. Uze nento e powerful. I think angaze
Hayi,
ngabona.
bayacula.
Yeah, angaze ngezwe ngikhwaya.
ibarorisi yo
Yeah, yacula barosi.
iyacula cabanga even now babadala bangaka but like basasha
Yeah, but I think yabo 1960 something.
Imagine.
ikhwaya
Yeah, I think yaqala khona lapho 1960 something if I'm not
mina
mistaken.
eback yasekhaya umama khona but okay akasekho ke may his soul rest in peace
Yeah.
bekahlala akhalisa
Ibarorisi.
ibarorisi like yo
Nama mama
Every
ngathi
day.
xa ukhalisa ipost.
Yazi Ibarorisi.
Ibarorisi.
Bawuthi mina I believe ukuthi yonke ingoma eke yayikhipha i-hit.
Exactly.
Yeah, like abo nakulokufa okwambethe.
Konje
Bayacula.
ithini le?
Bayacula.
yini enani uroriswe
Uroriswe. Mara sine bathi
Uro-
sibiza mina angazi noma yimi engibiza kanjalo but I believe ukuthi ngumseka ibiza kale sibiza i-Club and Tap National, i-Club and Tap anthem.
anthem
Oh, how. Ay.
Favorite song ka mama guys.
Ikweta ekaka. Ikweta ekaka. Tabarabam, tabarabam. I legend. That's the concept.
Clepencept iyaphilisa guys
Hayi, too much.
Philisa.
How's the soul?
Siyabonga to ama musical director we-Club and Tap niyenza umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu.
and they go through a lot
Yeah,
labantu
too much.
phela ukuleader abantu abaningi it's more like parenting
Yeah.
cabanga umzali uyi-1 uparent abantu abayi-90
kangaka cause omunye nomunye uza
ngiyakubona bangena ukuthi
yakhe.
ngise abantwana abayi-90 ubani usipho
Sipho.
ubhuti Sipho
Ubhuti Sipho from the Saints.
the Saints
Yes, yes.
yabona ukuthi bangakanani cabanga yena ayi-1
Omunye uza nale personality, omunye uza nale-
nomunye
omunye
une-personality
uza-
yakhe
Yeah, I understand.
ini.
Understand wonke lokho.
That is why
Yeah.
we find abanye abantu nebaba nalento lokuthi baphela amandla but yabona laba babambelelayo like yibo abantu ke ukuthi umuntu vele
Power.
ngambonga vele ushuthi
Power.
yaspana yo
Cowards,
Yo, thanks for the fan. Yeah.
Yay.
Okay.
Exactly.
Siyabonga.
Yo, sebenzile.
Uyasebenza.
Mr. Black mafaka kathola information ne. Ngale show lontuze etagma. Okay, yeah. Yeah, ngcono if usayibheka. Guys,
Yedagma.
angakayitholi show ngolo yazi.
Ishokolo lisithathe mina ngisalifuni vele. hayi.
Lizwe lenzani?
Sengithole kakhulu.
Angithi ngitheli ya smells or la melts.
Uyamel.
Yeah. Hayi mina ngisalifuni sengi-right. Ulontuzana
Guys, nenye into yo masidibana. Guys, maka noma sendibana nami estradini ngizihambela ngifuna ama-interview. Kanti ninjani? Ninjani yani? So ngikaba nongigqiba fethu. Ngiyanithanda into engithanda yona ke lerato la love. The same love eninginikeze yona mina ngiyalithimesa. Ngiyalibuyisela kini back.
mina nami fana nami ne laba ku-Clap and Tap abantu baku-Clap and Tap guys yo yazi you know mangabe ujwayele ukuba uyi-one mina like ngijwayele ukuba yi-one ne hlala ngiyi-one yonke into yami ngiyenza ngiyi-one but i-industry yaku-Clap and Tap banginike le nto leyo ukuthi ngibone ukuthi le nto yami yokuzivalela ukuthi ngibe yi-one it's not on. It's not on. Like uthando, abantu banothando la
Banikeza
ngaphandle.
nothando.
People yo banothando. Ngalandlela ukuthi ngiyangiphazamisa.
Maskisi.
Ngene emlomeni.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, abantu banothando man. Like kuyenzakala ukuthi ngiye eshowini. Bona kube bathi ngiyawa count ama-hug. And then mangiceda bese ngiyawa-chintsha ngayenza imali. I'd be rich.
Ne?
I'd be rich. Baletha imali ne?
I wanna check something.
Khona ngizokwazi ukuthenga imoto enye imoto ne?
Kubheke.
Ngiyabona bami sikakale.
Yeah.
Oh,
Guys.
uzombona ihluphi. Ishow ilontuze idark man, it's a fundraising show. It's a
Okay.
fundraising show yaka Dr. JB Mashini.
Okay.
Bengizowabiza namagama like igama lakhe manje cha.
Cha.
Kurong. Umkhulu.
Umkhulu wami ngine umkemakata hulu ya. And another thing yeah, siyabonga ukubuya kwakhe ku industry. Siyabonga ukubuya kwakhe ku
Oh,
industry.
yes.
Yeah, him being there back then bekune
The game
impact.
changer, yes.
Yeah, bekune impact. So siyabonga ukuthi ubuyile. I believe ukuthi discipline nyamazi mos.
Nezinto mele zithi ukuthi phela manje nathi sesiphume endleleni njengoba sisodwa.
Yeah,
Hayi njengoba sisodwa siyamdinga umuntu omdala. Hayi na.
Yeah, so ilontuza it's a Vutha show. It's a Vutha gospel show, ne?
Okay.
It's being promoted by Mr. Kalela, the promoter. Mr.
Jabulani Kalela.
Yeah. And then Imangilo ya Mudimo and Bahlupileng Artist Development. Oh, nice. It's ever registered. And it's very much easy artist development. Say registered. Nice.
Okay.
That's nice.
Cute.
Nice. And then you venue last keep
Can I ask? I-Santo consultant iyakhona ukuregister amakhwaya.
Yes.
They do that.
Yes.
Yo ibalulekile ke le.
Yeah.
Amakhwaya amaningi awekho registered.
Yeah.
And mangabe ungekho registered awukhoni uku-apply for ezinye izinto like
Sponsorship.
ufuna ukuyenza
Yes.
ufuna ukhosta something ne ezofaka mhlambe umphakathi or ini kubalulekile ukuthi nibe ni registered so that manizofuna ukusponsoriwa abantu bangaphandle or ibhedlela iclinic ini nana like you get ama sponsors if ni registerilwe.
That is part of the purpose of the podcast to reduce the lack of knowledge out there because most of them are managers or amakhaya what
When you tell the feel when?
guys,
When you tell the feel
beauty with brains agree
Yeah.
ngiyadlala
Like it.
but yeah guys man
Ah, man,
amakhaya
guys. As the show lawa ne. Affordable. Just namane iskali. Affordable. Just imagine le 60 rand ticket. 70 rand inyanga.
kakhulu uma uhlala la eduzane uyazi ukuthi awukhiphi transport
Bese mina ngiyavela neshow ye 200.
ubuya wena ke
Inengakhi?
uza nani ke singayazi
inge 8 zakamanje.
okay
8 zakamanje. La ngihlale ngithi izinto zenzeka khona. emgodini phansi khona esigodini hayi imikwacini
Ah.
Oh, kusemgodini.
angithi
Yintsha le.
Kaluyiva, Sinai.
Kaluyiva.
angithi njalo ngihlala ngithi bafethu angishone yazi ukuthi ngisesekhona la emikwacini
Yeah.
La shisa
yeah.
khona.
ya la ke ziyakhona
Angithi
izinto
ngiyazi.
I-home ground yethu sonke.
Yeah, and abantu abajwayele ukuya lapha guys. Awukhiphi
Yabona
transport.
yeah.
Amathikithi nje.
Imbikwacindi yindawo mina I think nayo yenza ukuthi ne-support sibe yiningi
Yeah.
whenever ku-hostwa something because abantu umuntu like wonke umuntu omaziyo ukuthi uyasupport uzomthola
Yeah.
mangabe kune-show,
Exactly.
uzomthola.
Seyaziwa imbi kwacindi guys. Seyaziwa manje. It's on the map.
namanye amakhwaya please be wise
Bekwacindi.
sebenzisana imbikwacindi sebenzise
guys.
yini i-Victor Ndlazulwane njengoba ilapha yangasemall
Oh yes.
ukudla
nayo.
eduzane
Eduzane, yes.
imbikwacindi ukudla khona lapha yana lapha emashop
Kapululu.
ngithe ukudla
Emashop.
Yeah.
Lapha ngikwazi ukubheka.
kuse konje lamashop lawa lapha esigodini Kanamba.
kanamba ya
Okay.
kanamba
ya like yonke into ilana shop ilana
so you can't host eholweni elingana shop elingana ini siza sinjalo thina siphathi
and
next
guys I think we also need to invite
Umthwalo.
Bololo
ibhololo ne
yeah I think kumele sim-invite-ini
ya
Podcast.
abantu
Yeah,
abafana
yeah.
nabo ke yabo
Yeah, udlala irole enkulu
udlala irole ya
Yeah.
Exactly. Yo.
uya ulontuzana i-community ayisiza i-community mara
And guys, please comment down below. Comment down below ukuthi nifuna bani next. Ne? On the next episode ukuthi like nifuna ukubona bani sim interview and ukuthi like yini singayishintsha. Yabo into ezina kanjalo guys, interaction is key. Communication is key.
It's key
yeah and then into i-aim la ukuthi okay nge-podcast i-aim ukuthi abantu esibalethayo yazi kungcono ukuthi uzwe into ngomnikazi then ukuthi
From the
uzwe
horse's
into
mouth, yes.
ngaphandle because uma uzwa ngaphandle iba ne-six gun phakathi
Spice
Yeah,
ayisho
yeah.
neraja.
Plus mina ngidila
Nama
ngale
flavors.
mawutshele mina into
Yeah.
mangihambisa hayi khuleka
Funa ifike imnandi.
Ufake
Spice.
ipaprika.
hayi ntswembu ke lapho
Yeah, bafuneka abafana nawe bethu.
ufake ipaprika uyafaka
I was
konke.
trying to call ubafana so I think ubusy ya ngifuna ukunderstand ukuthi
Sunday
ama-debates akhona la
mhlawumbe yasonto
Amanamba kaFire.
ama-number ka-fire I think I do have them let me check
Yo guys.
angikhumbuli oh sifundo i-promoter ye-Infernus ya
usirho wakuphi
uthixo uhamuni
no bayi-two
muphi
we have two sirhos
Kunjo sankomoda right?
yeah
ya
yeah
loyo ya
Infernus.
ya
inhlakanipho yona
ya
i-
Tanga, how's it? Okay. Moja, sweet ntanga. Ungamangali ntanga siku podcast ne.
Bheka ta angikufonela tanga mina ne.
When cause
Basebhizinyana.
siku podcast right now. So manganginikeza nje live manje. So give me 2 minutes ayikho yini angingithatha isikhathi sakho.
Ukupodcast mai.
Yeah, njengoba ukhuluma kanje live.
Okay, tanga fast ringa fast.
Yeah, tell us more about the show yenu nelontuza nenhlakanipho.
Inhlakanipho.
Yeah, ngi-22 people like abantu bazokwazi ukunderstand. Do you have ama-elevates?
Eliphetha kunama eliphetha.
Akunama elevates. So like aba
Only
ikhombo,
nasemnyango kuphela.
ikhombo.
There's no combo.
Okay, so let's say abantu bafuna
Rand maqede emnyango at 80 rand somewhere lapha ngazo.
and then if abantu bafuna amathikithi bawathola kanjani amathikithi?
Bawuthola between the Coasters, between i-Jews or Infernus.
Alright, so okay, thanks Menja.
Away dog.
Mocha. Okay, ke uzwele ukuthi ithikithi uthola kuma choristers we Hlakanipho and Infernus. So it's iJews ni fine.
inhlakanipho
Fire
iza ijuice
fam.
nenhlakanipho into eyi-one
iJews nenhlakanipho.
I-Juice Fam.
kanti mina ngitseni
Wena uthe
I-Juice
i-juice
nenhlakanipho.
oh bengifuna ukuthi
Fire ne-juice.
Juice
Fire and juice.
and ngithanda i-strategy sabo basebenzisile
Yo,
market le
yo, hayi balwile,
balwile
balwile like yo.
Yeah.
Ilo ntuzana iyaspana kodwa yazi. Yini? Meta. AI,
Meta.
like ithatha abantu baba na that creativeness, like izinto ezenziwa abantu manje. Mara ngibhorela yazi ini? Ngibhorela lento leyo ukuthi ezinye izinto noma ziyiqiniso asisakhona.
Awusakholwa, yeah.
Like ingazi yenza umuntu olimele.
Iluza i-authenticity.
Yeah.
Authenticity.
Yeah.
authenticity
Ngicela ukuyisho.
isho
Authenticity.
Thank you.
Authenticity.
Sikhothisana ngento wrong.
Authenticity.
Sikhothisana ngento
Yeah.
wrong. Authenticity.
let me try it
Authenticity. Asisho fast. Authenticity.
Okay guys, iluza lento leyo. Whatever that is. Yeah, lesingakwazi ukuyibiza. Yeah, iluza lento leyo because manje izinto eziningi azisena uzofila ngathi ayisekho original. Because i-AI seyasenzela ngisho. Yes. Manje
And yenza sibe lazy vele.
kakhulu.
Siba lazy. Because sengivele ngibhale lapha yana ukuthi make me wear make me wear white what.
Yeah.
Ayi vele lapho ke
Iyakhipha.
ayizongikhipha yo ikunika yonke into.
nale weseditha ngakhona like ngale AI wesesihlala ngakhona and kahle i-AI ne we misuse AI kahle.
Yeah.
we misuse AI because if masingayisebenzisela for izinto ezi-right then singathola information e-right kakhulu
Ayoni nayo yo.
Yeah, too much.
Phela AI. Yeah. AI ish like mangafaka isithombe sami ngithi mabakhulume ngami yo like uyamangala na ukuthi hayibo
ithathaphi information engane
ithathaphi lento
yeah
Hey guys,
Nami
and
last
ikuphendula manje noma ungayibuza ini manje yonke into manje
isanto media ne nje ngivele ngayibhala ukuthi isanto media yangicalela from Sanso Consulting
really?
I'm telling you ngangena
mina
manje
ngike ngayenza ibe ingitshela nge something else but it's something ekude vele
I think ngike ngayibona ngathi
into ye
emazweni le
yeah into zasemazweni yes ngike ngayicheck
Yo, guys. I didn't know.
You didn't know? You will know from today.
Phela unayo ifoni wazi
Yo, umuntu afaka utswayi enqabeni lami.
Donation bafethu.
i-donation i-sponsor
Yeah, isengiyasho ukuthi kula kuloko kuncane abanakho yabona like
Yo, guys.
as you can check angisho nabona ama donation ba donate abantu.
yeah nayazi another thing okay yazi mangilongibheka ukudla ne azange sikhulume kakhulu about this
Yeah.
Asikhuluma
Can you please pass me
kakhulu.
poster yes nazo bites please?
yes nazo
Yeah.
Yo.
hayi akumnandi yabona ku clean kanjani clean
Ngiyaki-invite.
akuna ne fingerprint
No.
Yeah.
it's so clean
Mara guys, nani nazibonela look.
amabhekana there's a beggar and there's a beggar.
And I think nje nabantwana besikolo bazombona somewhere yeah bazombona ekolweni somewhere I think if I'm not
Kuphi?
mistaken oh yeah kunendawo
ngasemkoko
Yeah.
ngasemkoko
lapha le kawash le ebhekene ne yini lendawo le Mr. Cheese
I'm not sure. I'm hardly into it.
but ile se la next to park
Oh, yeah.
lapha container yata emnyama lapha
Oh yes.
yeah
Opposite ne.
mawuqeda ukuphuma phashina sekhizana ngapha eceleni yeah kuleyo container le
Ngifuna umholi.
laba kune-car wash khona
yes
Yeah.
la kune kawash khona yeah
okay
Lendiwo umholi.
mkhodu manye kinyoso
Ah, asasekho.
asesekhona ya akhona yo cela nisapoteni
Oh, yeah,
umanyiki kanjani mara sikhohla kanjani
Manyikinyoso, yeah.
Ish.
lapha ya-golf cross indaba angiyazi address ngizothi
No, of course next to nase clinic.
oh yeah
Yeah, next to nase clinic do support ubhuti wethu asinayo ku Club and Tap ubhuti
tshwarelo pule
Tshwarelo Bule, number one
Mr.
supporter.
IMM.
Isaac and the Mighty Messengers. Uhlala khona ke ubhuti niyamazi ubhuti oshuthayo. Yeah. So une restaurant eDavidson next door
Clinic.
clinic is it konje yini extension clinic ne? East
East,
yeah.
Davidson.
Davidson East clinic next door nayo kune yeah umthola lapho naye we will check izinto zakhe and then we will tell you izinto about yena.
Yeah, uphatha ukudla like
informed ezinengichaza.
umkhodu, manqina, oko, iskopo, inhloko.
Ngabe yo
Yeah, inyama ebovu.
kwathi
Like
bawela
kuningi.
No, nathi kumele senishine nje.
ne
Yeah, shine nje. I think after.
yes
Yeah, after.
yes ne
Silapha, ne?
oh kwavele
After.
kwathi bawela
Bambi lunch
sana
khona.
Ne.
Yeah, I do understand. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's go back to Snazo Bites. Snazo Bites, we have chips cup. Chips cup. Guys, izinto zesilungu lezi ne. Mabathi chips cup, sungacabanga ukuthi uzothola izambane elifana
Yo.
cup na.
no
Izambane lenyama.
Ngifika nimcorrecting la. Is it
guys and we
spirals?
bekazoyicabanga lento le
Potato spirals.
oh I know those
Yeah, yeah.
lezambane le yo
Lele
Yeah,
lefenzini ha
And then
malini ama spirals
lana akunama prices but ngizonikeza amanamba ne.
Okay.
And then we also have wings. And then lezi sizidlayo manje they are called cheese balls.
okay oh yes I did
Wow,
yes
cheese.
So if you wanna
easy.
order guys Snazo Bites, please do call here. Go 065-880 1620 065-880-1620.
Thank
Njengoba ngikhuluma kanje
you.
uzowabona escreenini. Ngiyathemba ukuthi uzoya uyogawela nawe njengoba usabukele.
ushebile
Wow, ngibhekile.
upoporadisho oh upoporadisho
One question, ne?
Yeah.
Like, what difference would you like to see with the in the tap and tap industry for this year? Like, what changes, especially after you've seen yesterday's show and how productive it was? I'm sure there's a lot of things that you also learned from that show. So, what contributions, what changes do you think need to be?
number one discipline
Yeah.
discipline
Yeah,
number one
discipline.
So, I'm not disciplined.
Yeah,
Yeah,
let me
it's,
tell you something.
it's-
What I saw
it's-
ukuthi Julia sayini ne. Labantu labayana mabacula babhekile. Akuna ukuthi ngiyacula and then ngizocommunicate nalo while ngisacula, you understand?
Okay,
And then bashaya izandla bonke those people. Angeke uthole umunye ne step mawungathatha uje bajika bonke. If inhloko zithi ubona wonke umuntu ula but la kithi ne
Exactly.
Ku industry tap and save ne inokuyenzeka ukuthi umuntu
So-
makasathi umunye uyazungaya.
So kahle wena
Professionalism.
discipline oyishoyo ubali discipline yethu thina la besiperformela
Yes,
abantu
yes. Asibe professional, asibe
and vele
professional.
like mangabe ngizoba
Professionalism,
disciplined
exactly.
mina even nabantu laba bangibukelayo bazoba
Bazoba disciplined,
disciplined
you understand, yeah.
mangabe ukho disciplined nabangeke babe ne discipline
Yeah.
exactly
yeah mina ke enye okay would say discipline angithi
yes
enye into mina engiyibona ukuthi ingashintsha ukuthi sihloniphe umthetho obekwayo by a certain choir like ukuthi ichoir ibeke umthetho so ukuthi thina eshowini yethu we want this and that
Yeah.
like thina abantu mele sihloniphe lokho ukuthi okay ishow yabo le i-support iqhubeke i-support ibe khona iqhubeke
Iqhubeke,
and then
Right.
sihloniphe whatever
Respect.
whatever sifunayo singayenza kwenye ishow
okay
yes
Yeah,
if
yes.
lapha abanawo ama-restrictions and what
Yeah, yeah.
singayenza yonke into but
Yeah.
mangabe siya kulaba mabathe
okay
Yeah.
yes
But people, Baba Nendo yokuthi in events, when there's too many rules, then they don't want to attend. Like, how do you fix that? And also for choirs, how do you instill discipline? Because sometimes they are was a discipline choir, but still,
Yeah, na yoko discipline.
okay
yes, for example, yena yeko discipline or indlela discipline ngayo maybe abayithande choirni, so nabo bagcine sebaba corrupt. What solutions do you
mina into engayisho ne ukuthi kuna this thing yokuthi mangabe uhosta ichoir your aim uhosta iaim yakho uaime in if uaime ukuyenza imali vele uzoba nenkinga yokuthi mangaba usupportwanga uba nenkinga. But if aim yakho is ukuthi uyenzela ukuphilisa abantu, you don't care whether kuze 2 people or 3 people.
Nice,
So
nice.
whatever oyibekayo, if kunama rules ama restrictions nani abantu bathi abathandi angeke beze, it's
You're
fine
fine.
as long as wena so uyenzile le oyibekile uculile in like abantu mabasuse emqondweni wabo into yokuthi we want to make money masiyocula like ku
Kumele
Tap and Tap,
basethe
but
ama-priorities
iyenzelwe ukuthi siphilise abantu, not ukuthi siyenze imali, because mangabe uzobheka imali vele like uyaphoxeka mabangezanga
Ama-rules
so
ukuthi
uyalwa
ungabi.
wena ulwa na wonke umuntu ku Facebook uyenzana no sitshela ukuthi I'm here ngizophilisa abantu ngicede lento engenzayo and then that's it. So asinga yini singabi nama expectations.
If ngibhadalile ihholo ngabhadala nekhwaya ngi-invite-ile and then kufika abantu abayi-2
It's fine
Angithi
I-loss lapho.
uluzile. Yes, it happens. Yazi mawuyenza into efana nebusiness lento le ngithengisa snazo bites ne cheesy balls or whatever, ngiyenzile already this thing sengiyenzile, expect ukuthi wena uzothenga awunamali or awuzi ngizoyenzani ngalento lezi, yabola uyalahla, kune i-loss, kune win kune loss. So now ku Tap and Tap uyawina uyalose, kumele ube naleyo nto leyo.
Hi
Okay.
guys, hope nimamele.
I hope unangizwa. I hope unangizwa.
Ngivuleni la.
Zwilana?
Loud and clear.
Mina I would like to say
Crystal clear.
kumakhwaya ne. Guys, yabona there's a difference between a rehearsal and a performance.
Okay, yes.
Mau performance so performela abantu ne. So awasibonisa ama-era wakho. You
Okay.
understand?
Yeah.
Like phela now we are performer manje, so you must be disciplined.
Hence I was saying
Everything must be,
professionalism.
kumele kube clean like nenye into engiyibonile emakhwayeni eyenza ukuthi kungabi ne-discipline, i-choreography yakhona. I-choreography yakhona, hey mani,
Omunye wenza lokhu, omunye wenza
but
lokhu.
mase yenza
so
into eyi-one
split.
ninonke, it's gonna be clean and nice.
Njengase ebuhali kwaya yami, we do have that na ukuthi ini iyenza sona, ini yenza so, but angisho nathi siyabona singabantu siyazibukela nathi siyakhona ukuthi sibone ukuthi okay manje kumele sichintshe lokho, manje kumele sichintshe lokho. Yeah, so abantu ukuthi bangabheka nezinto ezifana nalezo like siyanaka yo asizelanga ukuzocula kuphela ukubukela mahala.
I don't think ngisho amakhwaya it's a community choir babe. They are serving community. So into engayithanda ne more special kumakhwaya se-Davidson ne, anginasho ukuthi amapha amanye amakhwaya yenzayo into le. Ngicela ukuthi asibonakaliseni ukuthi like si community choir.
Okay.
You understand that by participating within the community.
Okay,
Angeke
yes.
ngizingizela lana and then front opposite nala ngirezela khona kunomngcwabo but angiveli nokuvela.
Oh,
You understand? And
yes.
ngisibiza i-community choir, so kahle kahle ngiseva in ku-community.
Ku-community,
Yeah,
exactly.
you can't expect ukuthi i-community izokusupporta while you're not
Kuma-show,
supporting.
yes,
Understand?
anyeke
Yeah.
izive community because asinazi.
Hi guys,
Sinazelaphi?
it's a rap. I-rap ne? But it's a rap. Yo, like it's a rap.
It's a rape.
Ni rap and chain.
Oh yeah.
Ngazile
We
ukuthi
almost
ukhona zoba
forgot.
nenkinga,
We almost forgot,
ngazile.
guys. Please like, subscribe, and also
Share. Click
Yeah,
that
please,
notification
please.
bell.
Okay, before ni vala guys.
Oh.
Ngishare nale question ne. Ukuthi i-title ne like ngifuna abantu bona basho kahle
Kuma-comments.
kuma
Okay,
comments
okay.
ukuthi if i-title iluza ishell yayo, is it naked or is it homeless?
Ngesintu ngoba ngathi ini
I-school party.
yo
I-school party masiluza ishell. Is it naked or is it homeless?
no guys, please comment
Comment down below, guys. Because mina lento engicabangayo.
nami angiboni ukuthi ngi-answer right for yona yabo.
Yeah.
Sesizobonake ngabantu.
Yeah.
Sibona
Yeah,
ngabantu.
please like, share,
Yeah, please
comment,
like.
and click that
And then
notification bell.
your comment
that-
aqala asho into right. We should see our next podcast sizosho ukuthi answer naye.
Yes.
Ibuya kubani.
Yeah,
Ibuya
ibuya
kubani. Yeah, mention igama lomuntu.
Yeah,
Yeah.
guys.
Ngayibala ke,
Ngiyayiphinda
ngayibala.
into le, subscribe guys, like, share,
click
And-
that
Ne WhatsApp
notification,
channel
yeah.
ikhona,
Guys, why
ikhona,
ningivala
guys.
kunini ngoba
Oh,
stream
sorry, askif.
Angisakhulumi
Sorry.
ngalile yo.
Sorry.
Yo, ngalile.
Ungangali.
Ufuna ukuthini?
Akungalwa, akungalwa la.
Ngicedile.
Ucedile?
Ngicedile mina
Utheni?
ngalile.
Okay.
Utheni?
Singabonga ama-viewers then yeah. Bese siyavala isibinelo umndeni. Sisho kanjani
Thank you
Sibonga?
for the support, guys. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you.
Nalesi ngake receive kule video ne siyazi ukuthi it's like sanibonga. uNkulunkulu abe nani ayehle ezulwini anicabuze anibusise.
Right, Stanko.
Danko.
Ayivalwe.
Kamina.
Beyonce, happy birthday, Beyonce. Oh, Beyonce, happy birthday.